YouTube released an update that allows you to add translated thumbnails to your videos. Sounds like a helpful feature, right? Well, in this video, I'll share with you why that might not be a good idea for you. My name's Henry Sims, and over the last 9 years, I've been helping entrepreneurs and experts build personal brands that serves their business and not just gain views. So let's dive into this particular feature from YouTube and see if it truly serves you. So here's what this feature is. If we go into our YouTube studio and we look at one of our videos that we've uploaded, on the left, we'll come down to where it says languages. Under languages, we'll now see this add language button. And once we click on that, we can select our language through a whole bunch of languages. So let's say I want to optimize this video for Chinese. I can click on Chinese, and then I can add the title, I can add the description, and I can add a thumbnail that have all been translated into Chinese. And since auto dubbing is already a feature on YouTube, this is kind of the final piece of the puzzle to allow you to reach audiences in different languages and really fully personalize it to their language. Now here's why this is great. The best performing brands are the ones that feel like they understand you, the ones that are talking to you. And if someone doesn't speak your language, then it already doesn't feel like they're talking to you. So by personalizing the thumbnail, the title, the description, and having that auto dubbing on your videos, you're already speaking someone's language, and it's one variable that pulls them in and says, hey, this might be for me. And we've seen tons of success from this strategy of translating things into multiple languages. We've seen books get published in different languages around the world, and we've seen shows that might have performed okay in one region and really do well in another. An example for me that I really enjoyed was the show Squid Games. That was a Korean show that was then translated for us in English and became a massive success for those of us watching in English. So the benefit to translating the thumbnail, the title, description, everything about it, and allowing your video, your piece of content to apply to another region and another language is that you open up your market size and you can capture a lot more views. Now, before we move to the next piece, if you feel like you're lacking clarity in your brand and how you want to show up, then I built a guide for you that you can get in the description down below. So we've discussed the opportunity of getting more views by adding this translated thumbnail and personalizing your content into these additional languages, but here's why you might not want more views. If you are a coach, if you have a live community and you're doing group calls, if you do services like marketing services and copywriting for your clients, you need to be able to speak their language. So if you're attracting all of these views, gaining more views than you ever have before because you've expanded into these other languages, but you can't actually serve those people, then it's not benefiting and growing your business. Those are not viewers that you can actually serve and work with. And I don't know whether or not this would actually happen if your default language is English, but what if you find more success in that other region, in that other language, and your channel optimizes towards that and steers away from the market that you're actually trying to hit in the first place? And like I said, I don't know if that can happen, but what if? So at this point, all you need to do is simply ask yourself the question: do viewers from other languages benefit my business? If the answer is yes, then go for it. Personalize the thumbnails, titles, descriptions, get that auto dubbing enabled. If no, don't do it. Optimize for the market that you can truly serve. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more discussions around engineering your identity. And if you'd like to explore how we could work together, click on the link in the description below.